In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pay Now pop-up in Systeme.io. We'll start from the Systeme.io dashboard and walk through the full setup together in a simple, practical way. First, head to your dashboard. Once you're there, click on Sites and then choose Sales Funnels. This is where all of your funnel steps live, so if you already have a funnel created, you'll be working inside that existing structure. Next, select the specific sales funnel where you want this Pay Now pop-up to appear. After opening the funnel, click Add Step. This will let you create a new page or form step inside the funnel flow. Give your step a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you manage multiple pages or offers. After naming the step, open the Type drop-down and choose either Inline Form or Pop-up Form, depending on how you want the payment form to appear. If you want it embedded directly on the page, go with Inline Form. If you want it to appear as a pop-up experience, choose Pop-up Form. Once you've made your selection, click Save. Now choose a template for that step. Pick one that best fits the layout you want, keeping in mind that a clean and simple design usually works best for payment actions. After selecting the template, click Edit Page to open the drag and drop builder. Inside the builder, add the necessary form input fields, such as name, email, and address. These fields help you collect the information needed before the payment is submitted. Make sure the form includes only what's necessary, so the experience stays smooth and easy for the customer. Once your form fields are in place, add a form button element. This button will be the action point for your visitor. After placing it on the page, click the button so you can edit its settings. In the left-hand menu, look for the option called Action when button clicked and set it to Submit Form. This ensures the button actually sends the form data when someone clicks it. After that, configure your payment gateway in the product settings. This is where you connect the payment processor you want to use, such as Stripe or PayPal, so the form can handle real transactions properly. Double check that your payment setup is connected correctly, because this part is what makes the Pay Now function work. Finally, click Save to keep all of your changes, and that's it. You've now created a Pay Now pop-up in Systeme.io, from the funnel step setup all the way to the form and payment connection.